So next up, guys, got a really nice piece here. It's a 2009 FM 251 hydraulic rock picker, guys. I'll just go around it, kind of zoom in on some things, give you a nice 360-degree view. But completely hydraulic driven, guys. It's got that cylinder there that allows it to flex and angle out, so you're not driving over the rocks that you're picking up. It does have the reel adjustment, so you can speed up or slow down the speed of the reel. Really nice, super single rubber. You'll have pictures of that. Always been stored inside, guys. No big dings. No, it's not dented. Really solid unit. This farmer's owned it for, I think better part of 7-8 years. So he's kept it in really nice shape. It is a 60-incher too, so 60-inch width capacity. I'll go ahead. He's going to go ahead and show you, flex it out there. Now he's going to pick up some rocks. Just kind of give you a nice quick little demo over here. And we got some small rocks lined up in there, guys. It'll pick them all up. Picks them up there. And it is hydraulic, so there's a couple small rocks. Watch you get those. And then now he's going to show you dump. Dump here, guys. Big rock, small rock, got them picked up there. So there's just a nice demo, guys, on 2009 PFM 251 hydraulic rock picker. It's been always stored inside. They haven't had any major trouble with it. Kept it greased and in good working order. You can buy it with confidence. Real nice unit here, guys. Good luck, guys. Auction time. Gold.